This is a orchestration saga pattern. In this orchestration saga pattern, we use one centralized service, that is orchestration service. That orchestration service basically coordinates when one service is emitting one event, how and when we will process or initiate next set of services. In this pattern, to make a data consistency and reliability, orchestrator needs to handle all the flow logic. It is a centralized Saga pattern where orchestration is like a manager who does the error handling, making the flow call, next flow call, and all this thing. The key concept, as I already explained, we have one orchestration. Every services will have its own DB that does uh, the local data updates, and then we'll have a compensating transaction to undo if anything or any previous step fails. The property of the SAGA. So let's look at the service. So when you create an order, if you trigger the Saga pattern, it will emit one event to Saga Orchestrator. Saga Orchestrator will receive that event, and then based on that, it would initiate one command to reserve the inventory. If it reserve it, it says okay. Then orchestrator knows that what should be the next step in the saga. Then it will be payment service. It initiate a payment service. If payment service is executed successfully, then next would be the shipping service. It will ship the product to the desired address, and this completes application saga pattern. No positive. What if any one of the services fails? In that way, the compensatory transaction would initiate. It would undo the payment. It would undo the inventory, whatever reserve stock you did. Then it would undo the shipping command. Then cancel or suspend the orders. That's how a processing saga works. Benefit is it's a centralized chain of command. So tomorrow, if you need to add another service, so you have to make change only at the Saga layer. Error handling would be simpler. Visibility would be also simpler for you. You know how the flow will move from orchestrator, because orchestrator is gonna have all the controls. Challenges is centralized control. Whatever is the benefit, it becomes uh, challenge or bottleneck, because if that orchestrator goes down, it brings down your system. It's a tight coupling. So services are tightly coupled with the orchestrator. Scalability, at certain point of time, it becomes a bottleneck because of the orchestrator only.